Inside this factory, a symphony of precision unfolds. Massive blocks of raw granite are meticulously selected and carefully handled. Each slab is a unique work of art, waiting to be unveiled. The journey of a granite slab begins with precision cutting. Diamond-tipped blades glide effortlessly through the stone to desired dimensions. In the polishing chamber, the slabs undergo a transformative journey. High-tech machines with abrasive pads bring out the natural luster of the granite, giving it a mesmerizing shine. The skilled artisans use their expertise to transform the rough edges into smooth, polished surfaces. Quality is the cornerstone of this process. Expert craftsmen examine every inch of the slab, ensuring that only the finest granite makes its way to the next stage. Imperfections are meticulously removed, revealing the true beauty hidden within the stone. Slabs have been polished to perfection. They are carefully packaged and prepared for their final destination. Each piece tells a story of artistry and resilience, showcasing the magnificence of granite in all its glory.